The Mac Mini used to be considered the entry-level cute option in Apple's lineup, but as we move into 2026, Apple is doing something that should make every Mac Studio owner very nervous. We are talking about the M5 Mac Mini. This isn't just a minor spec bump. It's a total reimagining of what a 5-inch computer can actually do. If you are currently sitting on an older Intel Mac or even an early M1 model, you need to pay close attention. The leaked benchmarks, the new revolutionary architecture, and the strategic shift in base storage are about to change the value proposition of the desktop forever. Apple has a history of keeping the tech world on its toes, but the roadmap for 2026 is looking like the most aggressive year in the company's history for silicon advancement. While the mobile world is focused on the latest iPhones, the real star for power users is hidden in this tiny aluminum box. Reliable sources and supply chain leaks point to a mid-2026 release for the Mac Mini M5, and the specifications emerging from the testing labs are staggering. At the heart of this machine is the M5 chip. While the M4 was a massive leap because of the move to a 3-nanometer process, the M5 is all about neural acceleration and efficiency. Apple is utilizing TSMC's third-generation 3-nanometer process, known internally as N3P. For the user, this translates to more efficiency, less heat, and significantly higher sustained clock speeds. The real breakthrough, however, is inside the GPU. For the first time, Apple is integrating a dedicated hardware accelerator into every single GPU core. This isn't just a gimmick for virtual assistants. It is a fundamental shift for the future of on-device AI. We are looking at up to 4 times faster AI compute performance compared to the previous generation. If you are a video editor using complex masking tools or a developer running local language models, the M5 is designed to feel like moving from a standard vehicle to a jet engine. Regarding the physical design, Apple is sticking with the ultra-compact 5x5-inch footprint that was introduced recently. They aren't changing the shell because they don't need to. That tiny form factor has become the gold standard for clean, minimalist desk setups. However, while the exterior remains familiar, the thermal management system is getting a professional-grade overhaul. The M5 chip is reported to run at a slightly higher wattage, and to handle that extra power, Apple is employing a new packaging technology that allows the chip to dissipate heat more effectively, even in such a cramped enclosure. This means you can push the machine harder for longer without hearing a fan or seeing performance throttle. The news that has the professional community most excited is that Apple is finally officially moving away from the 256GB base model. For years, users have argued that a modern machine requires more breathing room. In 2026, the baseline Mac Mini is expected to start with 512 gigabytes of ultra-fast storage. This isn't just more space, it's faster space. We are looking at high-end speeds that could double the read and write performance of the M2 and M3 eras, hitting numbers that rival high-end dedicated gaming rigs. Then we have the M5 Pro variant. If the standard M5 is a powerhouse, the Pro version is a monster. Rumors suggest an 18-core CPU layout. But the standout feature for the Pro model is the inclusion of Thunderbolt 5. With 120 gigabits per second of bandwidth, this tiny desktop will be able to power multiple 8K displays or massive external storage arrays without a hint of lag. The line between the Mac Mini and the high-end Mac Studio is becoming almost invisible for anyone who doesn't need a Macs. Or ultra-chip connectivity is another area where the 2026 model steps into the future. It is slated to include Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. In a world where our offices and homes are saturated with devices, Wi-Fi 7 is a game changer. It offers much lower latency and better reliability in crowded environments. If you are working in a dense urban tech hub, you know how congested the airwaves can get. This machine is built to cut through that noise and maintain a rock-solid connection for high-res streaming and cloud-based workflows. When we look at the pricing strategy, things get interesting. Apple has managed to keep the entry price remarkably low for years. However, with the jump to 512 gigabytes of standard storage and the use of more expensive N3P silicon, there is a possibility of a small price adjustment. Even if there is a slight increase, the performance per dollar ratio remains unchallenged. When you compare this to any Windows-based small form factor PC, the integration of the hardware and software gives Apple a massive lead in efficiency. The leaked benchmarks for the M5 show single-core performance that is nearly double that of the original M1. Multi-core scores are now rivaling the M1 Ultra, a chip that was previously reserved for workstations costing several $1,000s. For a machine that fits in the palm of your hand, that is a technological marvel. Graphics. Performance is also seeing a 45% uplift thanks to improved hardware ray tracing. This means that high-end gaming and 3D rendering are finally becoming a native, fluid experience on the smallest Mac. The timing of this release is tied directly to the evolution of the operating system. The upcoming versions of macOS are rumored to be built entirely around integrated intelligence. These features require massive amounts of neural engine power and high memory bandwidth. The M5 delivers a significant increase in memory bandwidth, ensuring that as software becomes more demanding, over the next 5 years your hardware won't fall behind. There is also a strategic manufacturing shift to consider. Reports indicate that a portion of Mac Mini production is moving to facilities that offer more stability for the Western market. This could lead to faster custom-to-order shipping times and a more robust supply chain. For the consumer, it means less time waiting for a specialized configuration to arrive from overseas. If you are wondering whether you should wait for this machine, the answer depends on your current setup. If you are still using an Intel-based system, the jump to the M5 will feel like moving into a different decade. If you are on an M1 or M2, the improvements in the GPU and the dedicated AI hardware make this the ideal upgrade cycle. However, the M5 Mac Mini represents more than just a spec sheet. It represents the peak of Apple's philosophy of compact power. It is a machine that serves the student, the creative professional, and the home office user with equal capability. As we look toward the official unveiling, the excitement is justified. We are seeing a shift where the smallest computer in the lineup is no longer a compromise. It is a legitimate workstation that challenges the status quo of desktop computing. The M5 Mac Mini is setting a new bar for what we should expect from our technology. It is silent, it is incredibly fast, and it is ready for the next era of computing. Whether you are editing high-resolution video, developing software, or just looking for the most reliable desktop experience possible, this is the machine to watch. The transition to M5 silicon marks a turning point where the hardware is finally catching up to the most ambitious software goals Apple has ever set. Every detail, from the storage speeds to the wireless protocols, has been tuned for a premium experience. As we get closer to the launch date, the anticipation only grows for what is likely to be the most popular Mac of the year.